I am drinking a glass of water. I am drinking a glass of water. I am folding the clothes. I am folding the clothes. She is watering the plants. She is watering the plants. I am waking up early. I am waking up early. I am brushing my teeth. I am brushing my teeth. He is reading a newspaper. He is reading a newspaper. He is watching TV. He is watching TV. I am cleaning the bathroom. I am cleaning the bathroom. I am charging my phone. I am charging my phone. She is making breakfast. She is making breakfast. We are sitting in the living room. We are sitting in the living room. Please clean your room. Please clean your room. The children are playing in the house. The children are playing in the house. I am looking for my keys. I am looking for my keys. The food smells delicious. The food smells delicious. We are having dinner together. We are having dinner together. Can you bring me a glass of water? Can you bring me a glass of water? I am getting ready for bed. I am getting ready for bed. Everyone is at home. Everyone is at home. Please turn down the TV volume. Please turn down the TV volume. The door is locked. The door is locked. We are having lunch with guests. We are having lunch with guests. Please close the door. Please close the door. Open the window. Open the window. I am washing the dishes. I am washing the dishes. She is cooking food. She is cooking food. The baby is sleeping. The baby is sleeping. Please keep your shoes outside. Please keep your shoes outside. Please switch off the lights. Please switch off the lights. Please switch on the fan. Please switch on the fan. I am doing my homework. I am doing my homework. I am at home. I am at home. Where is my book? Where is my book? I am talking to my family. I am talking to my family. The house is clean. The house is clean. I am making tea. I am making tea. Let's sit together. Let's sit together. Dinner is ready. Dinner is ready. Please come inside. Please come inside. Can you help me? Can you help me?